Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone just got released, and you're looking right now where you can enable or disable the aim assist on your controller for Warzone. So first go to your settings wheel on the top right corner, then go down to this third option to controller, and now you have 4 different main categories. So controller, aiming, movement and combat. We want to go to aiming and then go to the second big option to aim assist. Right here you can turn this aim assist on or off, and down here you have the ADS aim assist as well. So just click here to turn it off or on, and now you're good to go. Then you probably might have to change a little bit the controller sensitivity for your gameplay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.